Hello everyone, this is Riya Singh, the currency analyst for Nirmal Bang. So let's look at the current development pertaining with the rupee. Now, India's central bank is likely to continue with the intervention to prevent any sharp appreciation in the rupee. Even there have been signs of leniency towards the currency gains in the past months. The Reserve Bank of India's forex strategy has been in a sharp focus recently as pertaining with the recent stand that it has presented of stepping away from the dodged dollar buying amid large inflows. Now, the perception that the RBI is going forward is to ease back on the greenback purchases and rather work towards how to defend the appreciation in the rupee and how to tackle with the imported inflation. Now, as we know, the inflation has spiked quite a bit in India with the headline figure moving above the 6% of the RBI's tolerance band, and it has been so for the past 5 months. The central bank is trying to do a fine balancing act, by trying to keep liquidity adequate as the economy slumps while managing large capital flows and trying to keep inflation in check. So, keeping inflation check will be a great task for the central bank going forward. The RBI is also quite conscious of the fact of a rupee being overvalued because it will adversely affect the trade of the local industries, given the present situation where there have been quite a challenge on the growth front, and we are seeing quite a dip into the cross-border trade as well. So there has been quite a trade deficit, the expansion of the trade deficit. So managing that amid the recent surge in the inflation and also coping up with the appreciation of the rupee will be something on a front line for the RBI right now. Now we are seeing we did see rupee gaining against the dollar and then remaining into a consolidation phase. But then with the recent momentum in the rupee, we are witnessing quite a weakness with respect to the dollar. Now, the dollar index has quite risen from its lows pertaining with the ongoing tension with the second wave of COVID-19, the risk pertaining to that, and also with the nearing November elections. So these two factors have been playing quite a bit into the confidence regainment into the greenback again. So we are seeing quite upliftment into the greenback. Also, there has been a development, with respect to the RBI stance as well. They are working towards maintaining and fighting with the second wave of COVID-19 in India as well. There is a greater chance that the country can again go into the lockdown, though not official statements have not been made, but with the India becoming the second epicenter and the other countries going into into a lockdown phase again for the next 3 months, there is a chance that strict restrictions may be put forth into the Indian boundaries as well. Yes, the recent weakness that we are seeing into the rupee is pertaining to that, as well as the lack of, losing confidence into the Asian market. We are seeing plunging Asian capital market, and same has been the condition with our domestic market as well. We are seeing quite outflows from the FIIs happening. This is also playing a major part into the weakness into the rupee for right now. So I think going forward, rupee can test the higher highs of 74.35, 74.55 into the coming session. Pertaining it maintains the support of 73.95 and trades above the same. For today's closure, we have seen rupee closing below the 73.95 resistance level. So the current resistance area or the band that we can look forward into the rupee will be within the band range of 74.10 to 73.95. This is a major resistance band that we have seen playing its part from past 2 months. So I think this will be a very important range, and if a rupee manages to surpass, it can further weaken towards 74.55, 74.75 levels. So this is what we are of the view right now. So thank you for listening. Stay safe, and thank you for listening to this.